So here we go, guys. The day you've been waiting for has finally arrived. Eye Candy has touched down in the UK. The packages have arrived. There's only 100 to order, available to order, and the only place you can get them from is ccukresin.com. So I am so excited. Don't forget, you're gonna get 20 amazing pigments in this. So I've just got to stick 100 labels on all of these now and get them ready to be shipped. And if you pre-ordered, they're already on the way to you. I hope you're excited for this. Finally, UK artists can easily get Eye Candy products in the UK at ccukresin.com. So now I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to get for your money. So here we go. I'm going to open this one. I'm going to keep this one anyway as a souvenir, as the first collaboration I'm doing with Eye Candy. So this is exactly what you're going to get in the package when it arrives on your doorstep. Don't forget, you get UK postage as well. So we're going to get 20 of these amazing 5-gram bags of pigments, guys. 5 grams, not 2 grams, 5. So you're going to get one of these little cards, which is all about the Summer of EyeCandy. Tells you a bit about me and CCUK resin as well on the back. So have a look at that. Don't I look good in that picture? But here we go. So you're going to get one of these Eye Candy stickers or decals, depending on what you want to call them. You're going to get 2 amazing Eye Candy branded stirring sticks. Then you're going to get the 20 pigments. And don't forget, we're going to do all of these in a playlist as well, which is going to be available all throughout July and August, providing you use one of these. So you're going to get the Ghost Gold, you're going to get the Galactic Ghost Blue, and you're going to get the Glimmer Ghost Violet. All 3 very different ghosts, and it shows you the different ghost effects. Then we're going to get the color changes as well. So there's 3 ghosts, there's 4 color changes. So the first one's that Shinto Shrine, which is beautiful, sort of pinks to golds. Then you're going to get the Amadori or Aomidori. I don't know how you pronounce it, but it's a beautiful blue anyway. Then you're going to get the Kiji color shift as well. And then the final color shift that you're going to get is, when I can find it, here it is. It's the Haiku, which is beautiful purple pinky color shift. So there's your color shift. So you're getting 4 color shifts, 3 ghosts, and then you're going to get 13 other colors, starting with Imperial Gold, which is amazing. You're going to get the Shiro White as well, which is beautiful. Baku Red. You're going to get the Blue Blood. You're going to get Kebosu, which is a nice green. You're going to get Emerald Green as well. You're going to get Crimson, which is one of my favorites at the minute. It's pink, but it also has blue tinges. That, for me, should be a color change. Izomi Blue is another blue that you're going to get. And there's a reason there's a few blues in here, because we're going to do oceans with it. Ninja Black, which is gorgeous. You're going to get Okinawa Blue, which is beautiful, sort of tealy effect. And then you're going to get that amazing metallic Candy Red, which is stunning. All of this, and the Rainbow Orange, and the Purple Garden. So you're going to get all of this just for $54.99 plus shipping, and you're going to get UK shipping, so it'll get to you usually within 2 to 3 days over at ccukresin.com. So don't be disappointed. Get over there, get ordering today, and it'll be shipped to you tomorrow. And then hopefully we can do a lot more collaborations with Eye Candy. And don't forget, if you've already pre-ordered, by pre-ordering, they're already on the way to you. So you'll probably get them this Friday. So it's so exciting. Don't forget, don't miss out. There's no limit on how many of these you can order. So if you think you're going to want more, order more than one, because they're limited to 100 in the UK, 100 in the States. And don't forget, in the States, you should be able to order these from the 20th directly from eyecandypigments.com using that discount code CCUK, so that we can all be part of this collaboration together. And for the first time, you guys can have eye candies in the States, and we can also do projects with them in the UK. I hope you're as excited as me. Don't forget, if you're in the UK and you want one of these, do not be disappointed. We're limited to 100, so get over to ccukresin.com and place your order. And apart from that, I'll see you all soon. I can't wait to see what you all make for that collaboration, which is going to be running all the way through July and August. As long as you're using one of these, all you need to do is email me, ccukresin@gmail.com, with your video link, and it'll be added to the Summer of EyeCandy playlist, hopefully getting some eyes on your channel and helping you grow at the same time as using these amazing premium micas. So I hope you're excited. I am. Can't wait to see what you create, and I'll see you all very soon. Get ordering.